Do you know you can make pizza yourself at home using staple ingredients lying around? You like how loaded this pizza is looking, right? Watch this video to the end. Let me show you how I made it. First, warm water. I added 2 teaspoons of yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and I'm just going to mix that together. Don't worry, the measurement in gram and the full ingredients will be listed in the description box below. You can check it out later. Now to this bowl of flour, I added a teaspoon of salt and I mixed that together. I'm adding in my wet ingredients and I'm going to mix everything properly together. You guys, I got tired of using the spatula. I decided to continue with my hands, so I'm just going to remove that and mix everything until they are well combined. Now we're going to knead that dough until it is less sticky, more smoother and easier to work with. You guys, sticky doughs are the hardest to work with, but the result is all worth it in the end. So just continue until your dough is softer and more easier to work with. Cover that dough up and allow it to rest for an hour while working on your toppings. What are your favorite toppings to use? As for me, I'm using bell pepper, red and green, and then onion rings. For the protein, I'm using chicken. You can use any protein of your choice. I'm going to be showing that later in the video. So for my onion rings, I like to caramelize my onion rings. It is a game changer. You guys, you are going to love it. I'm just going to caramelize it. Caramelization is trying to give it that brown color. As you can see, it's gradually giving a brown color. You guys, the smell is amazing and the taste is awesome. So you're just going to set that aside and then toss your bell peppers so that they can be a little softer and less raw in your pizza. Now my favorite part, protein toppings. I'm using chicken breast. You can use fish, and use minced meat, and then mushrooms for vegans. So I'm seasoning that with rosemary, curry, thyme, and salt. I'm just going to mix that together, adding pepper as well. Remember to poke holes in them so that the ingredients can enter inside. I'm just going to transfer that to a little frying oil and allow to cook. Remember to toss on both sides so that they can be cooked properly. You guys, after this video, I used this oil to prepare my tomato sauce, but I had no idea that I wasn't recording. So I'm going to show you guys in another video how I did that. Now my chicken is ready and I'm just going to slice that up and shred them. Since our toppings are ready, we're just going to go back to our dough. So our dough is ready. You're going to spread that out as much as possible. It's going to be sticky, but yeah, you're on the right path. Just add a little flour as you're trying to spread it out so that it could be easier for you to work with. This process is a bit difficult, but don't worry guys, just continue going. As for me, I'm going to spread it out as much as I can and then cut out a circle from it. So here is my cut out circle shape and I'm going to poke holes into them. Now it's time to spread our tomato sauce. You guys know that I told you that I didn't record this part, but this tomato sauce, it could be from, when you're trying to make your base from jollof rice or stew. Yeah, you could use that, but if you don't know how to do that, I could show you in another video. So right now I'm spreading that out, trying to make sure it covers the whole circle. Spread that out nicely. Yeah, trying to get every edge. I'm trying to get as much edge as I can. Now I'm going in with my vegetable toppings, my caramelized onion, my game changer. Guys, this smells so amazing. Next, I'm going in with my bell peppers. Guys, after this, there's no need to like add oil to give it that shiny look, because vegetable toppings has already, been fried in oil. Now I'm adding in my chicken. Add a lot of chicken, add a lot of protein as much as you like. Add a lot. Now I'm going in with my cheese. You can add in as much cheese as you want. You can skip this part if you do not have cheese at home, but yeah, I love my cheese in pizza. I'm just going to go all out with that. After adding in your cheese, you can then toss your pizza into the oven to bake. Don't worry, time and temperature is in the description box below. And there you have it, guys. Our pizza is ready. Look at how amazing that is looking. I am so proud of myself, and it tastes even better than it looks, I promise. You guys, just look at how colorful that is looking. This is so amazing. My girls didn't wait for me to finish, they just rushed it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you tried my recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.